Hello and welcome to Hitch Collections channel. My video today is to review XIAOLO Lavalier wireless microphone. XIAOLO in Chinese language means small, and yes, it's one of the smallest mics I ever used. The audio of this video recorded by XIAOLO microphone without any editing, so you can judge the quality of this microphone. This mic comes in two versions. The first version is Type-C, to use with Android smartphones and computers. The second version is for iOS. It's an incredibly easy to use. Simply plug the microphone to your device and start recording. It comes with two transmitter and one receiver, plus a charging case. XIAOLO is omnidirectional microphone, which means it will pick the sound in 360 degrees. Also, it has an intelligent noise reduction system for clear vocal recording. The wireless range can go for up to 65 feet or 20 meters. The battery of this microphone can keep up to 6 hours working on single charge, and the charging case can charge the microphone for up to 10 times. Let's take a closer look by opening the box and see what comes inside. This microphone comes in black color only, which is a favorite for most of the people. This is a user manual and quick step-by-step guidance. This is the microphone charging case, and I will return back to it later. And there is a box inside marked by connection label. It has a corduroy pouch, and nearly 25 centimeter USB-C charging wire. Now, let's get back to the charging case. The charging case has a fast charging Type-C interface port. It has a nice magnetic top cover. Let's take a look for the mic transmitter. In the front is where the mic located. The first side has independent charging Type-C port. The other side has a power button. We need to remove this protection plastic cover before use. And here we will find the mic charging contacts while inside the case. It has back clamps, so it will be easy to hang on your clothes. This is the Type-C version receiver, and also it comes in different iOS version. On the side, there is a charging port for your smartphone while recording. The case has a magnet inside, so when you insert the microphone, it clamps inside securely. Also, the case has front LED to show the internal battery charging percentage. We can charge the case by any power source, including the power banks as well. And the same to the transmitters out of the case. I will show you now how to use XIAOLO microphone with your smartphone. First, connect the receiver to the phone port. Then you will see the flashing red LED light, which means no mic transmitter connected yet. Then switch on the mic transmitter and immediately they will be connected, and you will know it by a solid red LED light on the receiver. Now, by your camera or audio application, start recording freely. You can connect the second microphone transmitter the same way at the same time. To charge your smartphone while recording, you can use the receiver Type-C side port. I want to say thanks to XIAOLO Company for sending me this microphone to review. In the end, if you like my video, please give it a like, and if you would like to support my channel, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good time.